the Havilland Tiger Moth, a simple trainer, yet one of the most important aircraft of World War II. Before they fought in bombers or fighters, pilots across the Commonwealth took their first steps into the sky in one of these. Between 1938 and 1948, Canada trained thousands of aviators in Tiger Moths like this. Built right here in Canada, the DH82C version was upgraded for harsh winters, featuring brakes, tail wheels, enclosed cockpits, and even heaters. It wasn't just tough. It was dependable, nimble, and a perfect introduction to flight. Throttle up, tail lifts, the wind rushes in. For a young trainee in the 1940s, this was a moment never forgotten. The ground falling away, the freedom of flight, and the weight of purpose. As part of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, aircraft like this soared over Canadian skies every day. Quiet prairie towns became vital training grounds for a global war effort. Today, riding in this restored Tiger Moth is more than a flight. It's a step back in time. A tribute to the thousands who learned to fly in these very seats. Below us, modern cities stretch out. But from here, above it all, the view remains timeless. From takeoff to landing, the Tiger Moth trained pilots with care and character. It wasn't fast, it wasn't armed, but it gave pilots the confidence to go forward, to war, to duty, to history. This one still flies, thanks to the efforts of passionate volunteers and supporters. At the Saskatchewan Aviation Museum, history isn't just remembered, it's restored. Want to help keep this aircraft in the air? support the Tiger Moth Restoration Project. Donate today and help history fly again. Like, subscribe, and follow for more stories from the golden age of flight.